Okay, good morning everybody. 6th and 7th class students, social subject. Okay, I have discussed some related social topics there. I mean, previous class, so some important topics discussed. Previous classes, so continents, oceans, states, capitals, and planets, and the landforms. Important major landforms also last class discussed. Today some important deserts topic. Deserts. Today our related social subject related topic to deserts. Today our topic to deserts. Already last class the deserts topic start discussing desert topic. Sahara desert topic is completed. What is the importance of Sahara desert? Sahara desert features they discuss. Okay. Today next desert to discuss. Sahara is the biggest desert in the world. Sahara desert is located in Africa, not part of the Africa. The highest temperature also recorded in Sahara desert. The highest temperature. So many not part of the African countries also having Sahara. Next another important desert Australian desert. Australian desert. The Australian desert located in Australia continent. Australia. The north part of the Australia is completely covered with desert. It is the biggest desert in southern hemisphere. Our Earth planet divided 4 hemispheres there. Major 2 hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere is the biggest desert Australian desert. The desert located in Australia. Desert means the land surface. The desert land surface is completely sand. Sand. The soil means sand soil. Sand soil, it is the non-fertility soil. There is no agriculture purpose. There is no any development activities not available in sandy soil. Some lands is completely covered with sand. Why? Without rainfall regions, scanty rainfall regions is completely divert or convert with the sands. Desert region rainfall is very low. Some areas, water available areas is also called oases. Some rivers flowing in deserts, suppose Nile River. It is the longest river in the world. It is the biggest, longest river in the world. The Nile River flowing in the Sahara desert. Indus River also flowing in Thar desert or India. Which rivers flowing in deserts, the rivers names is also called exotic rivers. Exotic rivers mean the river origin without desert The rivers flowing in deserts, the rivers joining countless deserts. In the exotic, is called exotic rivers. World there are important exotic rivers there. Nile, Indus, Darling, and some rivers names there. Okay, Australia desert is the biggest desert in southern hemisphere. The desert regions also some very rich minerals also available. Very valuable minerals also available in deserts. The type of deserts today discuss. Okay, Australian desert it is the biggest desert in southern hemisphere. You know the desert located in Australia. The desert is completely covered in northern part of Australia. Next to Arabian desert. Arabian. Arabian desert is located in Asia, our Asian continent, our continent Asia. I mean our India located situated in Asian continent. The desert is situated in western part of Asia. There are a number of countries having Arabian desert. The region, the countries' names also Gulf countries. It is oil exported countries. I mean the petrol, oil, just like petrol, diesel, this type of oil. Oil is the main resource of the Gulf countries. Valuable minerals, oil. Oil is available in Arabia. Suppose our region, some meters, some feet digging or underground of the earth, some pipelines, the pumping the water. Our region, underground, which type of resource, which type of the water resource. Arabian desert, Gulf countries desert, some fields digging in underground of the earth, just like the oil available. మన ఏరియాలో కొన్ని మీటర్ల భూమిలో తవ్వితే లేక పైపులు వేస్తే మనకేమొస్తుంది, వాటర్ వస్తుంది. మనం వాటర్ తాగుతాం. ఆ ఏరియాలో ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఆయిల్ వస్తుంది. ఆయిల్ is the main valuable resource, very costly, the very demand good. Oil exports country, rich countries. Why the countries exported oil other countries, lot of money gain the countries. Automatically the country's economy is very high. Arabian desert is a very important, why valuable resource, the valuable mineral oil is the main resource in Arabian desert. Suppose some example countries names, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Yemen, Oman, Iran, Iraq, some countries there. The countries is completely Arabian desert. Arabian desert situated in Asia. Asia means western part of Asia, or some part of Central Asia also. Arabia desert. Arabia desert is one of the important desert in Asia. It is the biggest desert in Asia. Next to another deserts, Desert is also called Great Indian Desert or Great Indian Desert. Thar Desert is also called the Great Indian Desert. The Thar Desert located in our India, especially in Rajasthan state. Rajasthan state, the desert covered in western part of Rajasthan. The desert covered in the western part of Rajasthan. The desert covered with India and Pakistan. Not only India. The desert, even India and Pakistan also covered. Pakistan also having desert. The desert between India and Pakistan. Covered with India and Pakistan. Third desert, our India mainly Rajasthan state. Some regions, some towns, some villages, some group of people settled in desert region. Bekaner, Jaisalmer, Bekaner is the important towns in Thar desert, I mean Rajasthan region. Some shootings, movies, cinema shootings also on Thar desert. Our Indian movies, Telugu movies, any movies. Sometimes, suppose any need of the desert, the people, the movies shooting people went to Thar desert. Some locations very beautiful. Some locations the shoot the movies. Okay, desert, Thar desert also. Desert means very hot region. It's very low rainfall region. Thar desert is also called the Great Indian Desert. Thar desert is also the Great Indian Desert. Okay, Thar desert. Next another important desert Kalahari. Kalahari desert is also located in African continent. Sahara desert located in African part, northern part of Africa. Sahara. Kalahari desert located situated in the southern part of Africa. I mean the desert extend or expand in South Africa country. South African continent. Kalahari desert is also important desert in the world. Some tribal people also living places, Kalahari desert. Kalahari desert is also one of the desert in the world. Today the deserts important, some deserts names discussed. Australian desert, the desert located in Australia, Arabian desert located in Asia, Thar desert located in India and Pakistan. The desert between Pakistan and India. Okay, next to Kalahari desert located in south part of the Africa. Okay, today the deserts topic, some deserts completed. Next to today 6th to 7th class lesson homework. what is the importance of the Arabian desert? Arabian అంటే అరేబియన్ డెజర్ట్ యొక్క ప్రాముఖ్యత అంటే అరేబియన్ డెజర్ట్లో మనకి ఆయిల్ అని చెప్పే కదా అక్కడ ఎక్కడ లొకేట్ అయింది, ఏ కంట్రీస్ లొకేట్ అయింది, అక్కడ నేను ఆ రిసోర్స్ ఏంటో వీడియన్ రైట్ ప్లస్ 6th to 7th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళకి కామన్ 6 సోషల్ క్రెడిట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫేవరెట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కామన్ సబ్జెక్టు కంప్లీటెడ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్